Hello, future TEFL teachers. Are you ready to kickstart your teaching career with a TEFL certification from TEFL Madrid Academy? In this video, we'll walk you through the application process step by step, making it easy for you to enroll in our program and embark on your TEFL journey. So let's get started. Step 1. Research and choose your course. Before you apply, make sure you've done your research and selected the right TEFL course for your needs. TEFL Madrid Academy offers various course options, including full-time, part-time, and online courses, each with different schedules and commitments. Choose the one that best fits your needs and goals. Step 2. Complete the online application form. Visit the TEFL Madrid Academy website and navigate to the Apply Now section. Complete the online application form by providing your personal information, educational background, and any relevant teaching experience. Additionally, you'll need to write a brief statement explaining your motivation for pursuing a TEFL certification and your goals as a teacher. Step 3. Schedule an interview. Once your application has been submitted, a TEFL Madrid Academy representative will contact you to schedule an interview. This interview can be conducted in person, over the phone, or via video call, depending on your location and preference. The interview is an opportunity for us to get to know you better, assess your suitability for the program, and answer any questions you may have. Acceptance and course fee deposit. If your application is successful and you are accepted into the program, you'll need to secure your spot by paying a deposit for the course fee. This deposit is typically due within 2 weeks of your acceptance. Detailed information about payment methods and deadlines will be provided upon acceptance. Pre-course preparation once your deposit has been received. Once your deposit has been received, you'll gain access to TEFL Madrid Academy's pre-course materials and resources. These materials will help you prepare for the course and ensure that you're ready to hit the ground running on day 1. Step 6. Finalize travel and accommodations. If you're not already living in Madrid, it's time to finalize your travel and accommodation arrangements. TEFL Madrid Academy can provide assistance and recommendations for finding housing in Madrid, as well as guidance on visa requirements if needed. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a certified English teacher and launching your teaching career. We look forward to welcoming you to our community and supporting you throughout your TEFL journey. See you soon in Madrid.